Hey guys, what's up? It is Obey Entertainment. Today's YouTube video, I moved the camera instead of on my TV. I moved it over to my laptop because I'm actually staring at my laptop for this tutorial. And that's what this is a tutorial on how to reset your workspace in Adobe uh, Premiere Pro. So if you guys do enjoy this video, leave a like down below, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Without further ado, roll the intro. All right, so that's pretty sweet intro, wasn't it? Thank you, thank you. So when you guys, let's just pull it up that way I can direct. Like, obviously it's a tutorial, so I have to show you guys. So obviously step one is to screw up the space you guys are using. You guys can save your own workspaces too, which I think is really cool. So if you guys only edit with certain tools, you guys can do all that. I'm still really new to this, so I'm not sure exactly how to use it. Let's just say new project. Let's just say okay. Dun dun dun. Don't even what clear all. I don't care. All right, so this is what mine looks like right now, and this is more or less stock. This is how it should look when you first get it. But let's say I go ahead and screw that up by well, up here. This little button here, let's go close panel. Now this one's here. Let's go to this guy here. Let's go close panel. Close panel. Close panel. Close panel. Close panel. Close. Close. Alright, so now we done screwed up. It is entirely different than it was. So this is how you guys fix it. Super fast, super easy. Just go over to the top here where it says window, click workspaces, reset to saved layout. Now I have a saved layout, so that's what it's going to reset to. If you guys don't have a saved layout, it should reset to the original, and if it doesn't, just click all panels. Give it a second, and it should look like this. And these ones over in the right you might not need, but basically this is everything you need to really edit. So window, workspaces, resave to saved layout. Okay, this is my saved layout, which is basically the exact same anyway. So if you guys did like this video, leave a like down below, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate all the help and support you guys are giving me. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so close. I think I'm at 915. I'm so close. Let me know in the comment section down below on any single one of my videos what I should do for 1,000 special, and I swear to God I'll do it. Thank you guys so much. Peace out, freshies, and I'll see you guys all next time.